Hi, I'm Fernanda Zamudio Suarez, breaking news editor at the Chronicle of Higher Education. Are you in a writing rut? Maybe it's time to deploy some tough love advice. In a previous video, I told you to set dedicated time to write. Let's talk about how to use that time. Stay with me and I'll give you 4 tips to improve your writing sessions. Now let's get started. Tip 1, schedule time for writing. Set aside a few hours solely for writing. Hold yourself accountable with deadlines and by telling your colleagues. And stick to the plan. Tip 2, separate your reading time from your writing time. You might need to read in order to write, but you shouldn't be reading while you write. Do your reading and research before you sit down to write your thoughts and arguments. Tip 3, don't edit while you write. Your pesky internal editor may be keeping you from making writing progress. Focus on getting your ideas down. Don't worry about crafting the perfect sentences. You'll fix your drafts later. Tip 4, separate revision while writing. Revision is an important part of the writing process. That's when you learn that you need to produce new sections, rewrite certain paragraphs, and switch up some sentences. But it's not what you do when you block off time to write. Separate a different chunk of time to revise. This will keep you on track when writing and revising and help you think of new ideas. Ready to get writing? I am. Go ahead, pencil in that time. I'll see you when your first draft is finished. That's a wrap. For more advice on the academic workplace, check out the link below.